Good morning from the heart of the orchard. We are here to explore how these beautiful oranges make it from the tree to your table.
As you can see by the pressure gauge here, the primary filters are working optimally to clear the water before it moves further down the pipeline.
As you can see behind me, this corridor houses the technology responsible for the significant clarity improvement we've achieved.
So how do we ensure consistency? We use a refractometer to measure the Brix level or sugar content, ensuring every
The key to the HTST system, or high temperature short time, is rapidly heating the product before immediately cooling it down.
So in summary, the product first passes through these intricate filters and then moves to the heat exchangers for final pasteurization.
Right here is the crucial standardization phase. We balance the bricks and acidity to ensure every bottle tastes exactly the same before moving to the filler.
Balancing flavors is crucial. It's about finding the harmony between sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. We ensure that balance precisely here.
The final stage of quality control involves a thorough sensory analysis. We ensure the aroma and clarity meet our exact standards before bottling.
Now that we've seen the ingredients, let's head down the hall and see the impressive bottling process everyone has been talking about.
After bottling, the clock is ticking. These pallets are prepped for immediate transfer to our cold storage facility, ensuring perfect preservation before shipping.
right, keep it coming back slow. You're good right there. All clear.
We're short 3 cases of the orange juice.
I'll double check the back of the truck now.
That wraps up our look at the juice aisle. With so many great choices, you're sure to find the perfect refreshment for your family.